the unknown organ in your body that doctors discovered recently. For centuries, human anatomy was considered complete. Every major organ mapped, every system named. Then doctors realized they'd been missing something hiding in plain sight. In 2018, researchers announced the discovery of what is now recognized as a new organ, called the interstitium. What makes this shocking isn't just that it was unknown, it's that it's everywhere. The interstitium is a network of fluid-filled spaces that exists throughout the body, sitting between tissues and organs. It surrounds muscles, lines the digestive system, wraps around blood vessels, and lies just beneath the skin. For decades, it was dismissed as dense connective tissue. Why? Because traditional microscopes couldn't see it properly. When tissue samples were prepared for slides, they were dehydrated. That process collapsed these fluid-filled spaces, making them look like solid structures. The organ literally disappeared under observation. It wasn't until doctors used live imaging techniques, particularly confocal laser endomicroscopy, that the truth emerged. Instead of solid tissue, they saw a sponge-like structure, flexible, shock-absorbing, and filled with moving fluid. An entire organ hiding in motion. So what does the interstitium do? First, it acts as a shock absorber. Every time you move, breathe, digest food, or feel your heartbeat, this fluid network helps protect tissues from mechanical stress. Second, it plays a major role in fluid transport. The interstitium may serve as a highway for fluids flowing between cells, organs, and the lymphatic system. This changes how scientists think about swelling, inflammation, and disease spread, which leads to the most important implication: cancer. Researchers now believe the interstitium may help explain how cancer spreads so efficiently. Tumor cells could enter this fluid network and travel rapidly to lymph nodes and other organs much faster than previously understood. This discovery could transform how metastasis is studied and treated. It may also reshape how we understand immune response, fibrosis, and even aging. So why wasn't it found sooner? Because medicine has historically focused on solid structures. Anything fluid-based was harder to define, harder to preserve, and easier to overlook. The interstitium wasn't missing. We just weren't looking the right way. What's humbling about this discovery is what it represents. Even in the most studied object on Earth, the human body, there are still fundamental things left to uncover. It's a reminder that science isn't finished, not even close. And somewhere inside you right now is an organ doctors didn't even know existed a few years ago, quietly supporting every movement, every breath, and every moment you stay alive.